Hi, my name is Trevor Daw. I'm a dancer, actor, and model based out here in LA, and today I'm going to talk to you about self-photos. Alright, so most of you, when you think of self-photography, you think of the selfie, where you hold the camera and you hit the button and you get just a headshot basically, where you can sort of see your arm moving towards the camera. It's sort of weird. But today we're talking about something a little bit more artsy, where you can actually take photos of yourself as if somebody took the photo of you, and that is using self-timer. So most of you know what that is already. Many people use it. On normal cameras, you got like a 10-second self-timer. On phones, usually got choices between 10, 3, sometimes 5 seconds. First of all, lighting is a huge important part. That is a big thing that will make your photos appear to be taken by a photographer rather than a timer. So for lighting, I would suggest finding a room where you have good reflection. In this case, the light comes down, it hits my neighbor's building, which is white, and the white allows the light to bounce well, so then it bounces into this room, which is also white, allowing more bounce. I also have a bounce, which is a sort of silver aluminum colored thing that will bounce the light even more powerful than white paint will. Highly suggest trying to find places where you see there is good bounce, good lighting. Also, framing is a huge part. So in this case, I'm actually in a bedroom, and since we're moving, there is stuff everywhere, but you can't tell because I framed it all out. So whenever you're taking the photos, you can take them at home, you can take them, you know, pretty much anywhere as long as you frame it properly. In this case, I am just doing something simple, moved everything out of the way, just framing it in a way where you can see me clearly and can't see anything else in the room. And don't forget, in post, you can always crop in or turn or whatever you want to the photo in order to adjust it and make it look more clean, get that good framing. Yeah, so I will be showing some photos next so you can see what I've done. Also sort of an idea of what the room looks like in the setup. And yeah. Alright, so here we have the setup. As you can see, this room is extremely messy because of moving. But I do have my bounce, I have a window with natural light, and I have a blank white wall. So this is where the camera is set up, and we'll be doing the photos this way. Now we'll do some photos. Get creative, have fun, and I will be posting more videos in more detail on how to do this, so please stay tuned and have a good one.